Let's learn about how to move our camera. So in Roblox Studio, you're going to use the WASD key to move your camera. So try and just click inside the workspace first, and then use the W key, use the S key, use the A key, and the D key to move your camera. You can also use the Q key and the E key to move the camera. So here's the E key, and here's the Q key. Now if you select your part, you see I have a part here. If I select the part and I press F, it puts the part in focus. You can also use the scroll wheel on the mouse to zoom out and zoom in. The left mouse button is for selecting a part or to drag a part. On the other hand, you can use the right mouse button to control your camera. You see I'm just clicking and holding down the right mouse button, and move the mouse, I can control my camera. You can slow down the camera movement by holding down the shift key before moving your camera. So for example, if I just move my camera right now, normally it moves pretty fast, but if I hold down the shift key and move the camera, you can see it moves much slower. You can also use the meter bar to change the speed of your camera. So if you hover the mouse cursor to this area over here, you can see there is a meter bar. Now if you select a higher number, the camera will move much faster. And if you select a smaller number, like 0.5, the camera will move much slower. To get the meter bar, you can hover your mouse cursor in this area over here till you see the bar, or you can just press down the right mouse button and then use the scroll wheel to select the speed. And that's how you control and position the camera and set the camera speed inside Roblox Studio.